This video is about something that a lot of interior designers struggle with on social media. You've probably heard about hashtags at this point, but you might not know which hashtags to use, where to put them, how many, or what's their purpose in the first place. The fact is, hashtags can benefit your business if you use them right. If you want to know how to do that, you're at the right place. Hey everyone, I'm Simona, and if you are new to this channel, I talk about how interior designers can use social media to grow their business. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 5 things to keep in mind when using hashtags on Instagram. By the way, we also have a guide that goes with this video. I will talk more about it later, but I will also put a link in the description below, so feel free to check it out. Okay, let's get into it. It's 2022, and yes, hashtags are still relevant when growing social media. Things are changing all the time in social space. But at this point, hashtags are still crucial when you want to grow your Instagram following. Let's have a look at some things you need to know about hashtags so you can grow your Instagram following and get those ideal clients to DM you. The first thing to know is the difference between niche and popular hashtags, and that you need to use both to get the best results. Popular hashtags are used by tens and hundreds of thousands of people. This can be something like hashtag interior design, hashtag beautiful decor space, or hashtag small spaces. These hashtags are used by masses of people, which means that it will be harder for you to stand out in the hashtag feed. But they can also give you a greater exposure because so many people are using them. This means potentially more likes and comments, which can put you higher up in the Instagram's algorithm. Niche hashtags, on the other hand, are used by fewer people, which means you can stand out in the hashtag feed more easily. Think specific details from your design like hashtag dark walls, or hashtag fabric headboard, or hashtag marble countertop. The downside to using these hashtags is that people who use them might be all around the world. So even though your posts might get decent engagement, these people wouldn't turn into your clients because they are in a different location to you. And this is where the location hashtags come into the game. Location hashtags are what they say. They are hashtags about your location. And since they are so location specific, you have a higher chance of attracting people who are in your area and are looking for an interior designer. Examples of location hashtags can be something like hashtag Atlanta interior designer, hashtag London designer, or hashtag home decorator Los Angeles. Wherever you are in the world, there are probably location hashtags that are already being used by Instagram users. So do your research and start using them to attract people in your area. Comment below if you already use location hashtags, and if not, I want to know why. You should definitely start using hashtag groups if you don't already. These are groups of up to 30 hashtags that you can use with your posts, either as a separate comment or as part of your caption. You can have your hashtag set saved somewhere in a Google document or in a spreadsheet or in your favorite social media scheduler. Planoly, for example, lets you create an unlimited number of hashtag groups, and you can easily copy them into your caption when planning your posts. The best practice is to have several hashtag groups that you can rotate and test which hashtag groups work best for you. Each hashtag group should include all 3, more popular hashtags, niche hashtags, and the location hashtags. Hashtags can save you a lot of time, when otherwise you would be using the same hashtags over and over on your posts, or trying to come up with hashtags last minute before posting. This might be the most important thing to keep in mind when using hashtags. Always put yourself in the shoes of your ideal client. This means using hashtags that your ideal client would use, not just those that you like. There are many hashtags that are very popular in the interior design community, but you often see only other designers using them. Sure, they can help you get more exposure among designers, but if you want to attract new clients, you need to prioritize hashtags that your ideal client would use. This could be something like hashtag small closet or hashtag loft conversion. Anything that describes their problems and interests. Once you have done your research and created your hashtag groups, you should keep an eye on Instagram analytics to see which hashtags actually work and which don't. Just go to your posts, tap on View Insights, and when you scroll down, you will see how many people found your post from the hashtags. This is a great way to check whether your hashtag groups actually work or whether you should try a different group. Now, if you are wondering where to find all these hashtags and how much time it will possibly take you, we have a great hashtag guide that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. It has more than 1500 hashtags that we handpicked specifically for interior designers, decorators, stylists, and homestagers. It's designed to save you time and leave out the guesswork, so you can just copy-paste the hashtags into your groups and go posting. I will link this guide in the description, so be sure to check it out. These were 5 things you should know about using hashtags to grow your following and attracting new clients. Comment below if you have any questions about hashtags, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss any new videos about how you can grow your interior design business. See you next time!